Welcome to the Slowlands, the Netherlands at its best. Slower, more immersive, more authentic. With the OrangeGuide, you now have a smart travel guide at your fingertips, an AI chatbot that helps you discover the hidden, slow gems of the Netherlands. Simply ask the bot and uncover your perfect slow travel experience. Chat or use your voice to, for example, find where you can visit vineyards.
Please tell me where I can find any vineyards.
Click the arrows to navigate through the results. For markets, festivals, and workshops, AI lets you search by specific date, month, or time period. You can also filter by location if you choose to add a city or a province.
Any workshops for children in June?
Activities play a key role in the Slowlands experience. It's not only about outdoor activities like walking or cycling. It's also the workshops that truly foster a deeper connection with both the culture and yourself.
Any painting workshops in June?
You can explore workshops tailored to specific interests, whether you're looking for ones for children, the visually impaired, or even focused on particular subjects like painting. Use the buttons below the results to find the itinerary via Google Maps and to quickly visit the website or social media pages. And there are many more slow travel discoveries the OrangeGuide can lead you to, from craft breweries to dog-friendly NS walking routes. Get in touch if you'd like to contribute content yourself. Slow travel isn't about seeing less, it's about experiencing more. Use the OrangeGuide AI chatbot and be surprised by the tranquility, the flavors, and the stories of the Slowlands.